Hello students, I welcome you to time classes. This is a short session on, as you can see, phrase replacement, which is a very important grammar topic and question model. We are going to take up a few questions on phrase replacement and discuss them in as great a detail as possible. And the directions, as you can see, are usually the given ones here. Which of the phrases given below each sentence should replace the phrase in bold to make it grammatically correct? Okay, so it's the error correction sentence or question. There are two types of questions, as you know. One is error identification, and this comes under the second category, that is error correction. So apart from identifying the error, you have to correct it by selecting the right choice. If the sentence is correct as it is given, then no correction is required and mark 5 as your answer. So the usual stuff. So let us take the first question. Here it is. It says the rate of recession in different climatic zones varies in different years, which can fluctuate, okay, due to several factors. So the climatic, the recession can fluctuate due to several factors. Therefore, the author says it varies in different years. Obviously, the given sentence itself seems to be correct. I don't see anything wrong. It varies in different years. So it means it is different in different years. So varies at different years? No. Okay, things vary in different years. So varies in different year is more correct than varies at. Varies in different year? Wrong. Okay, different years. We are talking about a general, sentence. So if it is singular, it should be in a different year. Okay, in a different year. Okay, which is again not as correct as the general statement. Otherwise, it should be plural. Okay, so varies in different years. The given one is obviously more correct than even 2. Varies about different years? No way. About is not correct. Vary. The verb should be varies. We are talking about recession. Okay, recession. The rate of recession. Okay, rate varies. Rate varies. It means vary. The plural verb is wrong. Which means the correct answer for this question is obviously 5 itself. Okay, which means no correction. So first question, 5, the original one itself is correct. So we go to second. The Himalayas offer panorama of natural delights with a trove of lush valleys, soaring peaks, crashing waterfalls, balmy means very pleasant, hot weather, springs, and other bounties in Mother Nature. Other bounties in Mother Nature? No. Bounties means generously, freely given things. Okay. Bounties are freely given by whom? Mother Nature, or belong to Mother Nature, which means of should be there. Bounties of Mother Nature. So what do we have here? In other Mother Nature bounties? No. Absurd construction. Other Mother Nature bounties? Wrong. Mother Nature at other bounties? Wrong. Okay. Other bounties of Mother Nature? Correct. So these are all absurd constructions. Meaningless construction. So 4 has to be the correct answer. Other bounties of Mother Nature and other bounties in Mother Nature are wrong. Of Mother Nature are correct. So second question, the correct answer has to be 4. With that we go to third. The future looks promising for the life insurance industry with several changes in the regulatory framework which will lead to further change. Wrong. Okay. What is the difference between farther and further? Okay, now both are comparative forms of far. Okay, but farther and further are completely different. For physical distance, you should use farther. For non-physical distance, you should use further. This is FU. Okay, this is FU. Further should be used for non-physical things. Like when you go abroad, you go for further studies. But when you are walking, you walk farther. I walk the farthest. Don't go any further. Okay. When you are arguing, for example, with someone, you may say, don't say anything further. Okay, so further change, FURTHER should be there instead of farther. So this is the wrong, this is the error. So it should be further change in the way the industry conducts its business. So let's look for further change in the way the industry conducts its business. So 1 is possible. 2 says further change in the way the industry conducts in the way. Absurd. So 2 is obviously wrong. It seems to be wrong in construction here. 3 says the way further change in the industry conducts its. Okay, the See, it's the industry that conducts. This talks about further change in the industry conduct. It makes change the subject, so it doesn't make sense. 4, it's further change in the way, again an absurd construction. So these are all absurd constructions, meaningless constructions. So 1 has to be the correct answer. 3, 1 is the only one that makes sense. So with that we move to 4th question. Art is an expression of the creator's mind which is subjected on his life experiences. No. Subjected is always followed by to. Subjected to means exposed to or controlled by. Okay. And it is always followed by to. So subjected to his life experiences. Where do we have to? Subjected to his life experiences. So 1 is possible. He's subject to life experiences. Again an absurd construction. Subjected of wrong life experiences. Subject to is wrong. So the answer has to be 1. Okay. Art is an expression of the creator's mind which is subjected to his life experiences. So 1 is the correct answer, with which we go to 5th question, which says India ranks 3rd among the most attractive investment destination. No. Most one. See, we are saying among. So among is always followed by a plural noun. Okay. So India is one among the many, attractive investment destinations. So it should be plural here. It should be destinations. Okay, for technology. So let's see. We are talking about what? The best ones. Okay, 3rd among the best ones. So most attractive should be there, whereas this says more, which is wrong. So most attractive investment destinations for technology, this is possible. This is most attractive technology destination for investment. No, it's an investment destination for technology. So this is logically absurd. Okay, logic is a problem here. So 4 says more investment attractive. Again it says more, and it has absurd construction here, wrong. So which means the correct answer has to be 2. Okay. So 5th question, the correct answer is obviously most attractive investment destinations for technology. 2 is the correct answer, with which we go to the thank you thing. Okay. So I hope you understood the stuff that I discussed. Okay. Hope to see you again. All the best. Thank you very much. Goodbye.